In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a handheld flashlight by the company FORTO, and this is the SFL 800 2-in-1 rechargeable focusing light. So this thing does have like a focusing beam that does like an area. So they have an area, a spot high, a spot mid, and a spot low, because you can adjust the end of it, because I did take it out of the package and, you know, check it out. And it's got a USB-C charging with it, so it is kind of like a fast charger. It's a one-piece 2,600 milliamp lithium ion battery that's included with this. It has a battery indicator light, and I always love it when they have a battery indicator light, because trust me, I have some and I can't even tell when they're going dead. So let me go ahead and open it up out of the package here and show y'all exactly what you get. It comes in this little box here. You know, I did take it out, look at it, charge it up. You get, you know, a little set of instructions. Looking over the instructions here, one flashlight, one USB-C charging, and one cable right there. There's the USB-C charger. Looks like a pretty high-end looking cable. I like the looks of that cable. Looking at the light, this does come in two colors. It comes in like a reddish, orangish color, and this one is the blue, which I got the blue here, and it looks absolutely amazing. Has this nice, like, rubberized grip here on it. It's 100% waterproof, so you can drop that down in the water. Check out how they put the logo on this kind of oval lens right here. I really like the looks of that. Really tough. This thing feels extremely premium, everybody. Pretty innovative way how they have the charge cable. Check this out. You lift that up, and there's where the USB-C goes. Is that not awesome how that works? And this light right here will let you know that's a battery indicator light. And then looking over it, it's got 20 hours in the low, and it's 7 hours in the mid, and the area is 8.5 and 4 hours on the high. So just so you know, that's the difference in the battery consumption. And then check this out. This is what's really cool. 90 meters on the like low, 300 meters on the mid, 3 meters on the area where it just has like the circle area, 420 meters on the spot. Geez, that's a long ways. And let me tell you, this thing has an extremely long spot. You will be impressed on how far this thing can do a spot. I was really impressed by it anyway. And that's pretty much it as far as like all the instructions here. Let me just kind of like show y'all what it does right here. One press is this right here. You see that little spot? 2 press is the medium spot. 3 press is that right there. Is that not awesome? Look at that middle section right here. And then long press is the high spot. So the long, and I can already tell you, I can feel heat. I don't know if you can, like, look at that. That's so hot that it's burning. That's how impressive this little light is. Let me go ahead and take this, and let's get to some nighttime and use it at night, and let's see how much power this thing really has. So let's switch over to some night and see what it looks like now. So let's do that now. All right, everybody, here it is. It's nighttime. Let's go ahead and let's fire up the bottom half. There's the area spot. That's the one that just for the area. This looks awesome. So if you're just carrying it like this right here, it's like a lantern when you're doing it like that. And then if you want to do one spot, see how, so that's one spot, and then check this out. There's a tree up there, and then you can, I don't know if you can see it on that tree, but that is probably 100 foot away right there, and right over there. Now let me go ahead. You can see how the medium is right there. Absolutely. This is 5,000 luminos for this. And look how bright this thing is. This light is so bright. I don't know. That tree right there is probably 300 feet away. And we're not even on bright yet. Let me go to bright. Now we're on bright. I could put a bat logo on it. As bright as it is. You see how bright this is? This is one of the brightest flashlights I've ever had. And I am not kidding on that. That is absolutely amazing. 5,000 luminos on that. That is lighting up that entire tree right there. And then if I want to go to a spot, that's the spot like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the FORTO indestructible, almost, spotlight. See you guys in the next video. Woo!